We're going to season our chicken. This is some nice olive oil. We're going to coat our chicken and season it with salt and pepper. So let's just coat our chicken nicely so that the salt and pepper will stick to our chicken nicely. See, we're just coating it. All right, let's pour our salt and pepper on there. Here's some salt. Don't be shy. Just sprinkle a nice little salt evenly. Here we go. All right, just sprinkle it nicely. Okay. Now we're going to hit it with some black pepper. All right, here we go. Just sprinkle it nicely. Beautiful. That's great. Cover it evenly. Now we're just going to toast that up, mix that in nicely. Look at that. Okay, guys, we have a nice pan with oil. We're going to add our garlic. We're going to throw our mushrooms in here, our onions. Yes, absolutely. And our ginger. We're going to get that nice and release that flavors nicely. Yes, let's cook that down. Then we're going to add our kale with our rosemary and release those flavors. That's what we're going to do. Let's cook this down nicely. Wonderful. Make sure your fire is a little hot. We want to get some heat to this. Okay, we want to cook it down. A little bell pepper got me a little early. Don't worry about that. Let's just cook it down nicely. We're going to add some nice rosemary. As soon as we cook this down a little bit, okay? To release all those flavors. Perfect. Let's add our rosemary and let's put the kale right in. All right, let's cook that down. And then we're going to put this aside. All right, guys? I'm going to cover this and let this cook down. Cover this up nicely for about just till it cooks down, guys. 3 to 5 minutes. Let this cook down. All right, guys, this is great. We're going to put this on the side and add this back to our next portion of preparation. Let's put this on the side. All right, let's cook our seasoned chicken. These are chicken thighs that I stripped down. So we just want to let this cook nicely. The pan is getting nice and hot as we speak. So let's just cook this down nicely. Alright. And then we're going to blend everything together. Let's cook this fully. Alright. I like garlic, so don't be shy. Put some garlic in there. Oh yeah, get that all in there. Wonderful. Let's cook it nicely. Add a chicken bouillon in there, half. Let that blend down. We're going to mix all these flavors together. Beautiful. Just mix that in there. Cook your chicken fully. Oh, that's looking great. Let it cook all the way out. Cook your chicken out. That looks great. That looks great. Just a little more. I think I'm going to add in my wonderful kale mixture. Kale and fresh mushrooms. Let me add that in there right now, guys. Take a look. This is what you want. Let's add that together. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. All right, guys. Blend that in together as you did. See how we just blended that together? We're going to hit it with our red bell peppers. Okay? Just toss that in there nicely. Look at these flavors. This is it. All that flavors coming together. You see that? Look at that. Look at that. That's what you want. Look at that. All right, let that sit. Beautiful. Give that a good 5-10 minutes.